Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Common Core, Kindergarten, Measurement and Data. Describe and compare measurable attributes. This is an engaged video created by Willoughby Eastlake Schools. If you are presently using a smartboard, please remember to save this video first, then open it up with Smart Video Player. If you would please, have a student come up to the smartboard for the very first problem. Thank you. Problem 1. Compare the objects. We are going to compare this object with this one. Then, draw a blue circle around the object that is longer. Then, guess how many cubes long the longer object is. Use the green cube to check. Is your answer close? Write the actual number above the check line. So, you will write your answer right here, how many cubes it will take. If you would please, pick up a blue pen and draw a circle around the larger object. Please pick up a pen now. When done, place it back in the tray. Okay, you should have drawn a circle around this object. Now, the next question is, how much longer is this than here? We can determine that by cubes. 1, 2 cubes longer. Your answer is here, and we think it's 2 cubes. Very good. If your answer matches ours, that is terrific. Outstanding. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard. And while they're doing that, please pick up an eraser and erase your answer here and here. Thank you. Problem 2. We're going to compare the objects. We want you to pick up a red pen when told to and draw a red circle around the object that is longer between these two. Then, guess how many pennies long the longer object is. Is your answer close? Write the actual number on the guess line right down here. If you would please, pick up a red pen and answer this question. Please do that now. Okay, the object that we had chosen was the long fishing rod. You'll notice this one is a lot smaller. How many pennies longer is it? Is it 1, 2, 3? It's 3 pennies long. Let's see what we checked. 3. Very good. If your answer matches ours, that is wonderful. Dazzling. Way to go. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard. And while they're doing that, would you please pick up the eraser and erase your answer here and here. Thank you. Problem 3, comparing the objects. We'd like for you to pick up a green pen when told to and draw a green circle around the object that is longer between this object and this one. Now, then guess how many cubes long the longer object is. Is your answer close? Write the actual number on the guess line right here. If you would please, pick up a green pen and solve this problem. Okay, here is what we think. We think that the green line should be around this object because this paintbrush is much larger than this one. Now the next question is, how many cubes longer? Is it 1, 2, or 3? It's 3 cubes. If you wrote 3, you are remarkable, superior. Way to go. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard. And while they're doing that, can you please pick up the eraser and erase your answer here and your answer here. Thank you. Problem 4. Again, we're going to compare the objects. You'll notice that we have a train here and a train up here. Well, when you're told to, we'd like for you to pick up a black pen and draw a black circle around the object that is longer. Then, guess how many cubes long the longer object is. Use the green cubes to check your answer. Is your answer close? Write the actual number above the guess line. You would write it right here. If you would please, pick up a black pen and circle the longer object. Then write your guess here. Please do that now. Okay, your answer should be here. This is the larger or longer train. How many cubes is it? Is it 1 or 2? It is 2. Let's check and see. If you wrote the number 2, excellent. Way to go. Amazing. Unbelievable. If you would please, pick up an eraser and erase your answer here and here. And we would like to thank you for working with us today on the Common Core.